Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today I will paint the Ogor Mawpack. The Ogor Mawpack are one of the most brutal abominations to stalk the realm of gore, part of the anarchic and violent Grand Alliance destruction. Once known as the Ogre Kingdoms, these monstrous beings have long since shed any notion of civilization, embracing a religion of flesh, hunger, and endless slaughter. First I applied homemade Grimdark sand in the bases. As I'm still waiting for them to send me some samples, it doesn't matter, I created it myself and I made a nice video on YouTube, you can find the link in the description. After that I painted with a black base and in grey in zenithal to enhance the 3D parts. As I was saying before about Ogre, the word Mawpack is no mere name, it is a tribal war cry, a devotion to the gulping god, the insatiable incarnation of Gorkamorka. Each pack is bound by the savage cult of the Great Maw, its creed carved into bone and gristle: devour, conquer, survive. Ogres do not live, they hunt, ceaselessly, across all realms and seasons. On the battlefield, they bring unrelenting terror. Massive brutes, like the gluttons, ravenous for living flesh, and the iron guts, fallen nobles clad in blood-slicked rusted steel. Cannibal gunners, such as the lead belchers, who vomit volleys of molten scrap with broken-toothed laughter. After the skin color has dried I use streaking grime and apply it all over the skin. After about 2 hours with Q-tips and white spirit, I remove the excess streaking grims. As I was saying before about Ogre, primordial monsters, like the towering stonehorn or the glacial thundertusk, living avalanches that grind the world beneath their hooves. Their culture is savage but absolute, a tribe of predators, nomads, and butchers. Every march, every raid, every kill is a ritual to hunger, and the rules that govern them echo this: trampling charges, momentum-fueled assaults, and unholy resilience. Within the Mawpack, sub-tribes carry their own brutal traditions. The Meat Fist, who pulverize all in their path with raw strength. With a dry brush I enhance the skin's highlights. As I was saying before about Ogre, the Blood Gullet, who blend slaughter with cannibal sorcery. The Boulder Head, who ride monsters as if they were born from the same nightmare. In the Grimdark of the mortal realms, ogres are not just predators. They are hunger incarnate. And hunger is never sated. I lighten the skin a little with the same white color. Now in this part of the video I use oil colors. I use a nice magenta to enhance the burns on the skin because I'm painting the miniatures in a winter theme. I apply the magenta oil on the wounds and in the parts where the clothes rub. After everything is dry, I remove the excess color always with Q-tip and white spirit. I give a coat of white on the bones so they are ready for the next color I will use. Pale bone from Army Painter is perfect for this bone effect. I would like to use other brands. I saw the Green Stuff World that produces them. I will definitely try it. Now I paint the leather parts. In this part of the video I dedicate myself to the details. I paint the weapons, the wood. As soon as everything is dry with the dry brush I highlight the weapons. These Ogor Mawpack have weapons made of stone, so I paint the stone parts in a realistic way by applying a grey base, darkening with a dark wash, and then, as soon as it's dry, I highlight the stone parts. Now I paint the metal with a nice dark metal, but then I dedicate myself to painting the metal parts with a nice rust effect. I'm not very happy with the skin effect before, and I decide to give another coat of magenta in the parts of the skin. Then I remove the external parts, always with the Q-tip and the white spirit. This part is dedicated to the base of the miniatures. A nice snow effect is perfect. I use the snow effect and mix it all with some water effect resin to make the snow look a bit melted. Now I apply a nice special effect to make it look like these monsters have done the bad guys. Then I create some fake slime because these ogres are crazy. Okay, we have reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and follow us on social media. Bye bye.